from beautiful Lime Rock, Connecticut. That's right. I am at the world famous racetrack. I've never been here. I'm here for a day of track driving in my M3. Right now it's 6:54. The track opens at 7, so we are lining up to get in. But this should be a very exciting day. Even though it's a short track, I think it's worth checking out. And I hope you enjoyed this quick clip. Session 1 is done with an instructor. Really cool, slow and technical track. Mostly right-handers, so it puts a lot of stress on the front left tire. And so far so good. I started with 30 psi and went up all the way up to 38, which is kind of where I want it to be. Maybe I'll keep it to 37. Maybe I'll drop a pound or two. But the brakes behave well. The tires are still holding up. No abnormal wear or tear. And looking forward to the next 3 sessions. I just finished the second session. Definitely felt better, felt faster. The PSI has gone up to 39 in the front left and 38 in the back. I think I might have to drop it a little bit, but let's check out the tires. So I'm debating rotating it left to right, although this is not looking that bad. I think I might get another session out of it. The other side, as expected, less wear and tear, but this is wear and tear from the last track. So I'm just going to keep it on this side for now, because this side is taking less abuse at this track. You can hear these brakes cooling off. Just listen to it.
Never mind, Kevin. Thank you very much.
Oh, and to those of you wondering why I put tape over the weight, it's because of the heat from the brakes after you finish the track. They loosens up the glue and they just simply fall off. So if you put that extra aluminum tape over it, it keeps them nice and firm. As you can see, my improvised clear bra is doing its job. This is basically shelf lining that I put on there. It's temporary just for the day, but it works wonders. Look at the high impact areas being protected. Little tire chunks here. Session 3 was a big success. I was going pretty fast. 108 was my fastest, which is much faster than the previous sessions. So I'm happy about that. The front tires were starting to get a little heated, so I was feeling the front slip much than I expected. Maybe I was overdriving the tires a little bit. But the brakes feel good. The tires still feel decent despite that little issue of me overdriving it, but it's still a lot of fun. Let's check out the tires. So I thought I was having issues with the tires, but it's these little chunks that are getting stuck to the tires and they cause a little bumpiness. I thought I was actually delaminating my tire, which is what some of these people get, but it looks like everything is wearing nicely. And so far so good. Got a little battle scar over here. Don't worry, it's gonna come off. this was it. Session 4 was by far probably the most fun. We had a great time. If you are wondering how I mounted my camera, like this, to the side of my helmet. And obviously you have to play around with the angles. But if you get it right, you get some really quality footage. No wonder, I was getting some vibration at left turns. I thought it was the tires again. It's this patch over here. And again, look at this sticky rubber. I picked it up from another car, probably. Oh, you have no idea how hot this thing is. And we're done. This was a lot of fun. It was a lot of learning, but it ended up being very, very fulfilling at the end as I learned the lines and I got progressively faster. The car behaved great. The tires held up fantastic, as you saw, and I can't wait to go to another event. And on this note, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.